Let us continue. See the passage. It was during those long days of recovery at AIIMS that Arunima first thought of achieving the almost impossible task of climbing Mount Everest. When she wasn't struggling to walk using her artificial legs, she spent her time listening about mountaineering. Arunima loved reading about the challenges faced by climbers who had conquered Mount Everest. She had always loved sports, had been a national volleyball player. Now she dared to dream about climbing the highest mountain with her artificial legs. After the when she got the artificial legs, still she was continue watching the dreams of her. She want to fulfill her dream, and it was during those long days of recovery at AIMS at Delhi, Arunima first thought of achieving her almost impossible task climbing Mount Everest. It was her dream to climb the Mount Everest, but it is the impossible task. When she was struggling to walk using her artificial legs, when she has artificial legs, it was getting trouble to walk. She spent her time listening about mountaineering. 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 Arunima loves reading about the challenges faced by climbers, and she loved to read the books about the challenges who face the climbers who are try to climb, and their story how they climb the Mount Everest or mountain, and how they achieve, who have conquered Mount Everest. She had always loved sport. She is the sports person also, and had been a national volleyball player. She is the sports person. She is the national volleyball player. Now she dared to dream about climbing the highest mountain with her artificial legs, and her dream was to climbing the highest mountain with her artificial legs. Arunima summoned courage and made Bachendri Pal she first Indian woman to climb Everest. To climb Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal, one of the Indian women, she climbed the Mount Everest for advice. Bachendri Pal told Arunima, in this condition you have made. See this picture of Arunima. She was climbing on the Mount Everest and hosting a flag on the peak of the Mount Everest. And she was receiving the Padma Shri award. The President, Pranab Mukherjee. Okay. Now moving forward, Arunima summoned courage. Summoned courage means she collected her courage and tried to meet Bachendri Pal, one of the first Indian women who climbed the Mount Everest. And Bachendri Pal told Arunima, you are in a poor condition. How could you take such a decision? How could you take a big decision? Huge decision means big decision. Know that you have already conquered your inner Everest. Now you need to climb the mountain only to show the world what you are made of. Bachendri Pal was giving the advice. You are already conquered inner Everest. Inner Everest means you are already climbed your inner in your mind. Now you need to climb mountain only show the world what you are made of. On the receiving an encouraging response, Arunima signed up for training under Bachendri Pal at the Uttarkashi camp of the Tata Steel Adventure Foundation, that is TSAF, in 2012. Arunima has joined the training camp under the Bachendri Pal at Uttarkashi camp of the Tata Steel Adventure Foundation. As part of her training, she had to climb smaller mountains. When she was trainer, at that time she was climbing smaller mountains. She climbed smaller mountains which included the Island Peak. It is the height 6,189 meter. All fine, Arunima. This time it was the concerned voice of her instructor Sushen Mahato. Sushen Mahato is one of the instructor who guide and trained the Arunima, which broke into her thoughts. And Sushan broke her thoughts, means he discouraged Arunima. Sushen was accompanying her on the Everest mission as part of the Eco Everest expedition sponsored by the Tata Group, and Sushen Mahato was accompanied with her, which is the mission Everest mission, as the part of Eco Everest expedition, which is sponsored by the Tata Group. Yes, Susan, I am fine. Brave words. For as she entered what is known as the death zone, 8,000 meters above sea level, her legs were refusing to obey her. The death zone was so named as it had claimed the lives of many aspiring mountaineers. She was almost numb with the pain, and each step was an effort as her artificial limb posed her new problems one after the other. The terrain became very dangerous and difficult. She saw dead bodies half buried in the ice, reminding her of those who had failed to reach their goal. In this stanza, when for as she entered what is known as the death zone, when she was started the journey of Everest mission, it was 8,000 meters above from sea level. Sea level. Her legs was refusing. Her legs was not responding to climb the mountain. There is the death zone, was so named as it climbed the lives of many aspiring mountaineers. And one of the death zone is there when most of the mountaineers were fall down. Because of this death zone, they lose their confidence. She was almost numb with a pain. She was tired and getting because of her pain still, and each step was an effort as her artificial limb, her artificial legs was not responding, not helpful to her, pose a new problems one after the other. One by one the problems she was faced. The terrain means here land with a particular physical feature. There is a land with a particular physical features there, became very dangerous and difficult to climb up. She saw dead bodies in the terrain. It is the place where the people get lost their confidence. So she saw dead bodies there, half buried in the ice, reminding of those who had failed to reach their goal. Seeing her struggle, the Sherpa again spoke. Madam, we should turn back. Sherpa told her, Madam, we should have to go back, turn back. No, that is not an option, Arunimas replied. I want to complete the climb today. She is told to Sherpa, I have to complete the climb today. I have to climb up the mountain Her artificial legs were constantly troubling her as it cut into the flesh on her legs. Her artificial legs was constantly means continuously troubling, paining her as it cut into the flesh on her legs. She was facing turbulence while walking